Hello and welcome everyone. I am Tanya and you're watching our YouTube channel Learn with Ears. Today we are learning do or be. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about asking questions with do or the verb to be. They are very useful because once you understand asking questions correctly, you can ask so many questions and it will improve your English. So first, what we are going to do is actually just go through these simple questions and let's just see if you can answer them, okay? And afterwards, we'll learn it in detail. So these are the questions and we have to put correct word, okay? So, do you like to dance? Second question is, we eat healthy food. Do we eat healthy food? Now third, are they honest? Next, is she your best friend? And last, why is he angry? Okay, now let's see in detail how and why do we use these words here to ask questions. First, we'll learn about be. Okay, if you haven't watched our previous video related be verb, you should watch that video first. That video will help you to understand this lesson better. Okay, so we know that be is an irregular verb. Okay, we use be as a main verb or as an auxiliary verb. For now, just understand that be is helping verb. Okay, and in present tense we use is, am, are, and in past we use was and were. Okay, so here these are some sentences. Okay, he is happy, she is sad, it is sharp, we are ready, you are my friends, they are angry. Okay, these are some sentences. Now here you can notice he, she, it. Okay, these are singular subjects and with singular subjects we use is. And we, you, they. These are plural. With plural we use are. Okay, so these are singular subjects, these are plural subjects. With singular we use is, with plural we use are. Okay, now let's see how to make questions, how to change these simple sentences into questions. What we need to do, we need to just change the place. Okay, helping verb will come first and then subject. He will come on second place and is will come on first place. So he is happy will become is he happy. Okay, this is a statement and this is a question, right? He is happy, is he happy? Is she sad? Is it sharp? Are we ready? Are you my friends? Are they angry? Okay, so these are questions. Is, am, are. We use is, am, are to ask questions. With singular subjects we use is, he, she, it, is. With plural subjects we use are. We, you, they, are. Okay, and with I we use am. These are helping verbs, right? Now next is action words or verbs. You might be thinking, what is a verb? Okay, what does it mean? So a verb is a word. Okay, a verb is a word that tells about an action or a state. For example, play. There are a lot of action verbs. Okay, whatever we do, whether we play, sit, write, talk, walk, cut, fight, whatever we do is called action words. Okay? Come, take, go, speak, sit, eat, watch, write. Okay? These are action words and there are many more. Now let's see where to use do does. As you can see, we use do with I, we, you, they, and does with he, she, it. Okay, with verbs. So here these are some sentences and we have to put right words to make them questions correctly. Okay, now let's see first sentence. In first sentence we can see you and we used you with do, okay, to ask question. So we'll use do. Do you eat mango? And there is a verb in the sentence, okay? There is a verb. When we have verb, so we use do to ask question with plural subject, okay? Now next, she eat mango. So here she is singular subject and with singular subject we use does. Okay, does she eat mango, right? Now next again we have you in the sentence, so we use do. And in last sentence there is I. With I we use do to ask questions. Do I disturb them? Now let's see where to use the verb to be for asking questions. Okay, so for asking questions we use the verb to be when we have noun, adjective, verb with ing, preposition, location or adverb. Okay, in this situation we use the verb to be. To understand it, we have these sentences here. Okay, let's see first sentence. Here, you a teacher. Okay, so here we have teacher. Teacher is a noun. Okay, and we have you. You is plural subject. With you we use are. Okay, so we'll use are for asking question. So this is, are you a teacher? Okay, next, you happy. Happy is adjective and before happy there is you. You is plural subject. With you we use are. Okay, so we'll use are. Are you happy? Next is where you going? Okay, in this sentence we have a verb with ing. Verb with ing. Okay, when we have verb with ing we use be verb. But which one? Is, am, are, was, were, which one? So here we'll use are because we can see you. You. With you we use are. Okay, where are you going? Next is how old? He. Okay, so he is singular. With he we use is. When we talk about age, Singular, one person, we use is, or plural, we use are. Okay, if there are many people, so we use how old are they? How old are they? And if there is singular, so we'll say how old is he or she, right? Now next is where you from? Okay, here from is a preposition, and with preposition we use be verb. Okay, you is plural, plural subject, so we'll use are. Where are you from? Where are you from? Next is they, here. Okay, here is an adverb. With adverb, we use the verb to be. Okay, they is plural. With they, we use are. So, are they here? Next is this a mango tree. Tree is a noun. Tree is one tree. Singular. With singular we use is. Is this a mango tree? Next sentence is she your mother? Okay, mother is a noun, and with noun we use the verb to be, right? And mother is singular, so we use is. Is she your mother? Right? Now let's do some more practice. Here, what you do? Okay, so here there is a verb. With verb we use do and does. You is plural, so we'll use do. Next sentence, you want to eat. Okay, so here we have a verb and you is plural. With plural we use do. Do you want to eat? Now next sentence, you need a pen. Okay, so here we have a verb need. Okay, and you means we have to use do. Now here he work late night. Okay, so in this sentence also we have a verb work but singular subject. With singular subject we use does. Does he work late night? Next sentence, she American. Okay, here we don't have a verb. Okay, we have a noun, and we know when we have a noun we use the verb to be. Okay, and here she is singular. Okay, singular subject. With singular subject we use is. So, is she American? Now next sentence, why they sleeping now? Okay, so here we have verb with ing. When we have verb with ing, we use the verb to be. Okay, they is plural. With plural we use are. Why are they sleeping now? Now next, where you from? From is a preposition again, so we use are. Now where you live? Okay, live is a verb. Okay, so we use do. Now here they sing. Again, sing is a verb, so we use do. How old they? Okay, when we ask H we use is NR. Okay, here there is plural, so we use are. How old are they? Next, in this sentence we have a verb with ing, so we will use ismr, right? But here we can see this is plural. With plural we use are. Where are you working? Where are you working? Now let's see last sentence. You speak English. Okay, so here we have a verb, and when we have verb we use do. Okay, do you speak English? So that's it for the day. I hope this lesson has helped to make few things clear for you.